Are you in your 30s and still getting acne? Congratulations, you are suffering from adult acne. Great day, ladies and gentlemen, I'm Dr Ingky, your digital skin doctor, and welcome to Skynfyx, Asia's premier platform, whereby you get all your skincare tips, and from time to time we do skincare comparisons as well. Adult acne. Adult acne is classified by which anyone above the age of 25 suffering from acne. 90% of the world's population suffer from acne, and we know that acne is generally a teenage problem, and as we get older, acne tends to disappear. However, in some cases, acne only starts to appear after the age of 25. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is adult acne. In some people, acne actually follows them way into their 40s and even their 50s. Where most of their peers or contemporaries have dry skin, these people suffer from acne-prone skin or acne breakouts well into their 50s. Adult acne is a serious problem whereby it affects millions and millions of people all over the world. So if you're suffering from adult acne, what should you do? Now, first of all is to understand the causes of adult acne. There are generally four main issues when it comes to adult acne. First of all, there is an increase in sebum production, and this is usually caused by either hormonal changes or even genetic issues. Secondly, once there is enough sebum, it clogs up the pores. And once it clogs up the pores, it produces an environment rife for acne to grow. The third one, bacterial overgrowth. And because there's too much sebum, it attracts a lot of bacteria and hence you get acne. And as we know, adults are stressed. You might be stressed from work, your relationship, or maybe family or money issues. Stress can contribute to more acne to occur. So if you're suffering from adult acne, here are the 5 things that you should do to reduce your adult acne. Tip number 1, increase your zinc intake. Zinc has been proven to work as well as oral antibiotics to reduce acne. Zinc also reduces the amount of sebum production and reduces the activity of bacteria that causes acne. You can start taking food rich in zinc. Generally, they are nuts and as well as red meat. However, the easiest way is actually to go down to your drugstore or your pharmacy and get zinc supplements. Generally, zinc supplements work much quicker than diets. Second thing, reduce the stress. As most adults, especially those living in the cities or in the urban areas, life is stressful. You're caught in a jam, you have bills to pay, your bosses are shouting at you, your spouse is screaming down your neck, or some of you might have kids running around. All this can attribute to a high stress environment. The more stressed your mind is, the more burden it places on the body, and that, ladies and gentlemen, can trigger more acne to occur. So the main thing you should do is reduce the amount of stress you have. Go for a quick jog, go do some exercises. Those generally will relieve the amount of stress that you actually have. But if you're someone who's already constantly exercising and you're still getting a lot of acne, maybe there are other things that you might want to venture into. Meditation, yoga, occasional retreats away from work or away from things that you're stressed out. Reduce the amount of stress, and that will help with your acne. The third thing, increase water intake. Even though water doesn't have a direct correlation with acne, but we have noticed that those who drink plenty of fluids, plain water, actually has lesser acne. A lot of adults are in a constant state of chronic dehydration. We don't drink enough water. We work in hot or humid places, or maybe all of us are in air-conditioned rooms the entire day, and that can actually lead to constant chronic dehydration. And if your body is chronically dehydrated, it doesn't feel thirsty anymore because it's so used to the environment of dryness and lack of water. And because of chronic dehydration, it affects your hormone levels and then it can trigger more acne. And by drinking more water, you also get to fill up the stomach, and chances of you snacking on something unhealthy, it's much lesser. Because sometimes when your body is thirsty and you're dehydrated, hunger and thirst can be a little bit confusing on the mind. So sometimes when you are thirsty, you crave for sweet food or sweet drinks because the mind doesn't really understand whether it's really thirst in play or it's hunger. And most of us, because of conditioning or maybe because of convenience, we grab the nearest soft drinks, soda, or we take something sweet. And sugar increases the risk of getting acne. So even though water intake has no direct relationship with reducing acne, but by drinking more water, you reduce the chances of you taking something too sweet. So drink more water. Generally, around 2 to 3 liters per day for an adult is sufficient. Number 4, start yourself on vitamin A. There are 2 ways of using vitamin A, either number 1, orally, or number 2, topically. Vitamin A can be found in food which are orange or red in color. So generally, look at carrots. Carrots have very high levels of beta-carotene, which are vitamin A, which helps in turn to reduce acne because vitamin A reduces the amount of sebum production. On top of that, start on topical vitamin A. Skincare, you can start on retinols or you can start on retinoids. Example, adapalene or tretinoin. They have a direct effect on your skin to reduce the amount of sebum you have, and it also helps with anti-aging. And the 5th, if all else fails, go and consult your doctor. If you have tried everything in the book and everything you have read on all your blogs and YouTube videos and nothing works, it's time to seek professional help. Generally, doctors will go through your entire medical history, go through your diet with you as well, and from there help tweak your health. A lot of doctors might prescribe Roaccutane or isotretinoin for you. Isotretinoin given in short duration in a couple of months can help reduce and get rid of your adult acne really quickly. The doctor might also prescribe some medical grade skincare for you, which is necessary to help reduce the amount of acne and potential scarring that you might have. So don't be afraid to go and see your doctor. There we have it, ladies and gentlemen. 5 ways to reduce your adult acne. If you like this video, please like, comment below, and turn on the notification bell button because we release new videos on a weekly basis. And until next time, I'm Dr. Ingky, your digital skin doctor. And as always, remember to stay safe, stay healthy, and most importantly, stay informed. Are you tired of wasting time and money on your skin, but nothing works? We are here to help. Skynfyx is a platform that provides personal care education completely free. Skynfyx is run by skin doctors and skincare experts. You can chat and consult with our skin doctors without ever leaving your home. Other than free advice, Skynfyx also provides tailor-made solutions for your skin problem with customized medical-grade skincare delivered right to your doorstep. Skynfyx, your digital skin doctor.